Hello guys, welcome back. We have a quick update. Fluent Screen Recorder just received its 2.1 update, so they've made a few changes. Obviously, if you've been following me, you know that the lead developer for the app actually commented on my overview of Fluent Screen Recorder, so that's pretty cool. They have shared their opinion, which is that they will try and make a few changes, and clearly they've made a few. So it seems as if this is the first thing that comes to my attention, which is they fixed recording crash on some devices with internal audio enabled, which is exactly what I was doing. So clearly this is the problem that was happening, and clearly this seems to solve that problem. They now have a Discord server, so we can actually talk to the developer themselves. There's a few minor bug fixes and improvements. There's share integration in the video player and in the gallery view. There's a modernized video player design and context menus for gallery view. That I completely looked over and glossed over. Yes, context menus for the gallery view. This is what I had such a big problem about in the overview. Along with that, so let's see what the whole thing looks like. So we have these two videos that we did back for the test. Let me just right click, and we have over here a context menu. Now obviously it doesn't take you to the file location as of yet, but it does give you a small, okay, so we still do not have the file location in this, but it's a start, no doubt. It's 2.1. There's a lot of stuff that needs to be done, so they've clearly done a lot of bug fixes. Moving on, let's try to watch this video. First of all, immediately what I notice is that this looks so much better. There's a casting button, there's a sharing button, there's it's the same info button. There's a delete and a sound on, or the volume button basically. Now if I click back using my button, I'm still not getting like the additional button support, like these buttons that exist. So that is something I'd like to see in the future. Obviously the back button support or the backspace support or even the escape button support would go a long way to make it easier, instead of just going and taking the mouse all the way over there and then clicking back. Which, I mean, it's good, it's not that bad. In fact, it's not at all bad. It's just something that is lacking in a certain sense. Now we still have the thing where we can only turn on one at a time. You can't turn on both at a time, but I mean, that's fine. That's completely fine as of right now. They've issued a fix after seeing the video and responded to the video. I mean, that is in and of itself a great achievement for me and for the developer for being so actively responsive. So we will do that one test which I did, which is took it up to 72 Mbps bitrate, and then I turned off Fluent Screen Recorder and then I turned it on again. So let's try that. So over here we have Fluent Screen Recorder. Okay, so it still defaults back to 18 Mbps, which, I mean, I guess it's fine. It's one extra step every time, but still, I mean, it's very good. It's not too bad, it's not too good, it's in progress, and that is all we need to know, which is that it is an app that is in active development, and that is what we need. Windows needs these people to step up, and these people are indeed stepping up, and I'm so happy that these guys are actually responding and even taking it constructively and not being offended or not being defensive. They're just taking the criticism as it is and trying to improve on it, which I really appreciate. So thank you so much to not just the Fluent Screen Recorder developer, although props to them for like taking out the time to actually comment on a video that is critiquing their own application, which definitely took a lot of time to make. It takes a lot of time to make this stuff, and the fact that you've made this possible at all is amazing. Props to you for that. But also to the other developers who have tried embracing Microsoft's app design language, and that is beautiful. I respect you, I thank you. In fact, I cannot thank you enough. That's pretty much it. I will be joining the Discord and I'll be constantly active, and I'll put the Discord server link in the description along with applications Microsoft Store link. So yeah, bye.